Ever pondered the intricate challenges that come with moving to a new place? The daunting task of packing up all your belongings, transporting them to the new location, and unpacking everything once you arrive can be overwhelming, especially if you're tackling it all on your own. Here's where Srinivas packers and movers come into the picture. This guide will provide you with everything you need to know about Srinivas packers and movers, their services, the benefits of hiring them, and how to select the right packers and movers, among other things. Who are Srinivas packers and movers? They are a professional moving company offering a range of services to assist you in moving your belongings from one place to another. They have a team of trained professionals who can carefully pack your items, load them into moving trucks, and transport them to your new home. Srinivas packers and movers have earned a reputation for their exceptional customer service and attention to detail. The services offered by Srinivas packers and movers are designed to meet all your moving needs. These services include packing, where Srinivas packers and movers carefully pack your items to ensure they remain safe during transit. They also offer loading and unloading services, where they load your items into moving trucks and unload them at your new home. Transportation is another service they provide, with a fleet of trucks ready to transport your items to your new location. Once your items have been transported to your new home, Srinivas packers and movers will also unpack them for you. If you need to store your items for a while, Srinivas packers and movers offer storage solutions as well. The benefits of hiring Srinivas packers and movers are numerous. It saves you a lot of time and energy. Instead of worrying about packing and transporting your items, you can focus on other important tasks. Their professional movers also have the necessary equipment to handle heavy and bulky items, reducing the risk of damage during the moving process. Srinivas packers and movers also offer insurance for your items, providing you with peace of mind during the moving process. When choosing packers and movers, it's important to do your research. Look for companies with a good reputation and positive reviews from previous customers. Consider the company's experience, the services they offer, and their rates. Srinivas packers and movers have a good reputation and numerous positive reviews from previous customers. They offer competitive rates and a range of services to meet your moving needs. In conclusion, moving to a new place doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right help, such as that provided by Srinivas packers and movers, the process can be much less stressful. Their range of services, professionalism, and attention to detail make them a reliable choice for anyone planning a move. So next time you're moving, remember Srinivas packers and movers. They're here to make your move as smooth as possible.